Hello again. Today I'm going to be showing you how you get the third Esper. I'm not up to the fourth one yet, so this is Golem. You have to be on the Lanza, whatever, the second island, past the Isles, the Grand Isles. You have to go from Port City, past all these, so this Western Sand. If you complete the Western Sand, you go to this Lechios Hills or whatever. You don't need to, you just have to complete this. I like this exploration. Now just follow with me. You will actually need a decent companion on this. Just kidding, but yeah, it's exploration, so yeah. Just follow where I go. Just like multitask or whatever. Follow this if you want to avoid the whatever you call it, the attacks, not the the attacks. Just follow where I am. They should be around here. There should be a dehydrated man. Hold on, I should have. Okay, I'll show you where he is after I defeat these guys. Just gotta turn on auto battle. You're gonna run into a lot of battles here. So you might want to turn on auto battle because it gets really annoying. Okay, alright, that was easy actually. So you continue on. He should be right here actually. Hold on. He should be anywhere. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can just skip this video if you're just annoyed, because I'm getting really annoyed. Oh my god. This is getting really annoying. Where is he? Hold on. Where are you, dehydrated man? Oh, I see. He's around here somewhere. So he should be around here on the map. Because I already completed this quest, he's not here. Basically, you have to do this. And you have to go to a pond. I'll show you where the pond is on the map. And you have to scoop up water and then give it back to the man. So basically, I can't show you again because I already did it. So, yeah. Man, this takes long. So basically, you're supposed to see this big hole right here, like with all these little dots. You know, it's got two oval things connected in the center of my screen. Basically, you have to go there. So let's go to, okay, there's a battle right there. I'm not sure the battle spawned randomly because it seems like the battles spawn like exactly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so just avoid them. Oh yeah, those are cactor. They actually do quite a lot of damage. I've seen one do 1,000 damage to my companion. So, yeah, you have to go here. See the single cactus right here? And then this single cactus, you go here, and you just tap the water. Do something like that, and I'll scoop up the water. Alright, now once you feed it back to old man. Holy crap, this is getting annoying. Really annoying. I wish you could just kind of just battle them like you don't have to wait for all this stuff, because this is really annoying actually. Man, alright. Yo, he's gonna stone gaze all of my my team or something. I win, I don't care. Okay, now you have to just keep on going. You have to go here, and you set the enemy's head. Press onward, press yes. And you're gonna fight with this pretty easy boss actually. I'm just gonna finish him easily. Hold on. Easy. It's a black box. Something's glitching. Okay. Yeah, I won. Okay. And the battle is won. You press continue. Oh, I glitched something. Abandoned exploration. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. There's no like thingies. Press yes. It's like dungeon clear. Now you're gonna unlock the next part, which was the part in the beginning I said you wouldn't have. It's the Eastern Sin, I think it's called. Hold on, let me check. It's called the it's called the Southern Sands. Okay. You have to complete 4 missions, and then you get the sealed zone. So this is actually where you get the actual Esper. Pick a companion. I mean, I don't need it because he's just easy right now. But if you're you don't have as good troops, do this. Just go skip. So yeah, you just fight him. It's pretty easy actually. Does like 20% damage. Yeah, see, he doesn't do too much damage, so it should be fairly easy. What am I doing? I'm not even using magic or anything crap like that. What am I doing? He's dead in like 5 seconds. Whatever. He's dead. Yeah, this is it. You're dead. Or not. Okay. This is actually a lot harder than it was. It's probably because I picked a really good companion. Just destroyed him. Alright. So, my team is actually pretty bad. Wow, he's actually pretty powerful. No, just kidding. He dies. Just Esper better be good. I haven't tested it out yet. And there it is. He dies. I think you know by now how to equip Esper, so that's it.